Yo, yo, yo. Alright, so start of a new week. Right, it's Monday. There is news today at let me check. Yeah, there's news at 9:45 and 10 a.m. So 9:45 is flash manufacturing PMI. 10 a.m. is just existing home sales. So I wouldn't be looking to trade until after 10. But basically going into today, what my bias is gonna be, I'm gonna go over that really quick. So going into the month, I did want to see it open low, high close, and you can see we've already formed the low right here. Right, the low of the monthly candle. I guess you could say we tapped this order block right here. This monthly order block. Go on to the daily chart. So we are in the month of July. Last month during May, we did have a pretty good expansion move. And this isn't July, it's supposed to be June. Alright, so June, I think we're going to be consolidating this month. Just looking at how it is, I think the rest of this month is going to consolidate. And then July is when we'll get that real move higher. And, I guess on the daily chart, you could say we swept out previous days liquidity here. Right, let's swept all these lows. And I guess you could say we respected this civvy, or even this one up here. But I'm not interested in shorts, just because that's against my bias. And we are inside this order block also, which I should mark out. So mark this as the 1 day order block.
Discover an elevated trading experience with forex.com.
Right, daily order block here.
And unlock the tools.
Now going on to the 4-hour chart.
80 plus FX pairs, superior execution, super tight spreads, professional grade charting, analysis, and real-time commentary. Competitive pricing with no nasty surprises or hidden charges.
You can see we did sweep out all this liquidity, like how I said we did on the daily chart here. This is the daily order block. We're tapping into it and we're finding support here. And we do have previous week high here, and the previous week high before that right above here also. So I'm just gonna mark this as 2 and mark this as 1, and also marking this as 1. Now looking at here, 4-hour chart, I don't really see anything besides us tapping back into this inversion gap here. You said we did tap into that, and we did respect this 4-hour BC here also. Right. So this is showing me that price wants to go higher. Now going down to the 1-hour chart. This is where things get a little bit interesting. Okay, so we do have buy stops resting above here, and we are inside this 1 hour here, right? But in my opinion, I don't think we're gonna go lower off of this 1 hour for red gap just yet, because looking at ES, we have equal highs, right? Equal highs, the bias is bullish. We're respecting this 1 hour busy. I just don't see any reason for us to go lower from here, besides filling in this new week opening gap here. Like if I just draw it out quick. Right, we still have a portion unfilled. Well, I guess you could say it's already been filled, but... And you can see we don't even come to consequent encroachment of this new week opening gap. So that to me is bullish. Going down to 30-minute chart, where the buy stops here on the 1 hour chart here. And there's a 30-minute resting right above it. So my target is the 30-minute SIBI, as well as previous day high and potentially previous week high. And we do have this inversion also. This one right here.
Make your browser fast.
So I'll mark this as 30-minute
Make your browser Chrome.
inverse for right gap, right?
Choose Google Chrome for your computer.
And I am going to just take off the middle line and put this on the bottom or the top, because I don't like how this 8:30 opening price cuts right through. Down to the 15-minute chart. The only thing I don't like about it is there is no like good low that we could really use for a safe stop loss entry. Like usually I would like to see something like this during the overnight session, because then this would just be our like Asia low here, and then we have our sell side swept here. This would be our Asia low, right? But for this, so now this right here becomes basically our protected low, right? But in this case, we don't have a protected low. It's really just a small grind up higher and higher, right? That's the only reason I don't like the price action down here, just because it's not very clean. But I guess we just have to work with it. And there is no SMT at these lows. Now we're really just waiting for 9:30 open at this point. Do I think we see higher from this 15-minute gap here? I really don't think so, because I think the 30 minute's gonna want to come back down into this inversion or reprice back under 8:30 opening price before we get that move higher to buy side. Alright, so 8:40 or 9:45. There is high impact news, and I think it's gonna just try price up here to the buy side, honestly. But I feel like I want to wait just a little bit, because I'm not too convinced yet. I mean, I do like how we've held this 1 hour busy. And we do have SMT at the lows also. See from here to here, this is SMT. And we did reprice under 8:30 opening price and midnight. So that's a very good sign. This 30-minute inversion is holding. So now I'd honestly want to see us come back down.
Safe. Choose Chrome to safely store your passwords.
Into here. But we just pray that it can come back down.
The world's largest, most liquid financial market.
This is very good here. And I forgot to mark out 30. Alright, so